Okay, all are back. Let us continue. Okay, this one. Just now you all do a lot of work. Now you all listen. Zheng Xuan, I just say now you all listen. Okay. When we talk about ratio, we are comparing two quantities of the same measurement. Okay? Then when we talk about rate, everything is almost exactly the same. Except that now the two measurements, they are related, but it may be for different quantity. Just like that only. So for ratio, it must be water compared to water. Correct? When we talk about liter of water that we mix together, or we talk about distance compared to distance. But for rate, now we can compare different things. For example, pocket money. Let's say, Hansel, your mother give you one day $5. Then every one day $5, 2 days will be $10. So we are comparing money to the number of days. That will become a rate. That is not a ratio. Okay? So rate and ratio, the biggest difference is just like that. Then the relationship between the two quantities is still the same. One will change with the other. Same. By multiplication or by division. Okay? Then that is the basic idea or basic questions that you may face for rate. Then under rate, when we talk about rate in real world, we will later look at some common rates that you will face next time in your life. So one of them is simple interest, which we have covered also when we are doing percentage. Simple interest. What is the interest rate per annum every year? So every year 3%, 2 years 6%. So interest rate, simple interest, we have do a few questions before. Okay, we calculate by year. So the percentage compared to the year. 1 year 3%, 2 year 6%, 3 year 9%. That is a rate. Then you will face higher purchase. Do you all know what higher purchase means?
More money.
Wrong.
Expensive?
Wrong.
Higher what?
Higher purchase. H-I-R-E.
Employee discount?
No. Okay. This is what? Next time when you want to buy things, you may need to buy something with a higher purchase scheme. Why? Why you so busy? Why you not listen? That is why I am trying to tell you all what is higher purchase. Okay. Okay. Next time when you start work, maybe 1 month you earn $1,000.
I earn $1,000.
Starting okay. Then if you want to buy a television that is $5,000, you cannot straight away pay $5,000 because you don't have enough money.
Monthly.
So yes, higher purchase means I take the $5,000 TV first. I pay a deposit. So maybe I pay $500 first.
Then 10 months.
Then I still hold $4,500. Then
Every month.
the shop will charge me at some interest for lending this money. Then every month I pay back a bit, Maybe every month I pay $500. Then in the end I may need to pay 11 months or 12 months. Okay? Then in the end my buying price may be higher than $5,000. So we call this buying under higher purchase when we do buy things under such scheme. Okay? So a higher purchase scheme. It is very common. If you go to courts, you buy furniture, all this. House, yes. But house usually we don't go by simple interest. This one involves simple interest. Okay? So furniture, electronics, you go to the courts, all these IKEA, I don't know have or not. There are places where you can buy things first, pay a deposit, then slowly pay back what you owe. That is called higher purchase. Okay? When we later see the questions, we will go into more detail. Then there is currency exchange. It is also a topic under rate because we talk about exchange rate. Every 1 Singapore dollar is 3 Malaysian ringgit. There is a exchange rate. Okay, so we will be talking about if you have this amount of Singapore dollar, you change into euro, how much is it? Or you have Japanese yen, you change back to Singapore dollar. How do we do the conversion? How do we calculate? So that one is also under rate. Then lastly, we have another one called income tax. Okay? Yes, all these. That's why maths is related to your life. You can't escape from it. You don't like also must do. It will happen unless you don't earn money. Every time you spend money, you need to know your math. Tax evasion. Okay, now let us take a look at some basic rates questions. Exercise 8B, textbook, page 64. Okay, so the similarity between ratio and rate is it is all multiplication and division one. Okay? A typist is someone who type 1,800 words in 1 hour. Find the number of words that she can type per minute. Per means 1.
1,800 divided by 60.
Very good. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay? So if you can type 1,800 words in 60 minutes, we want to find how many she can type per minute. Per minute means 1 minute. So 1,800 words per 60 minutes. Every 60 minutes. Then if I want to find 1 minute, I need to divide by 60. Then this side I also divide by 60. Just like that only. Then you will get 30 words. Then you can answer 30 words per minute. Okay? So there is very strong similarity between ratio and rate. Multiply, divide, multiply, divide. A man pays a total of 4,800. 3 months. 3 months, 4,800. So 3 months, 4,800. Find his monthly rental rate. Monthly rental rate means each month you pay how much? Meaning 1 month pay how much? Then we just take. We want to have 1 from 3, we need to divide by 3. So this side we also divide by 3. So 4,800 divided by 3 will get $1,600 per month. Okay?
How much?
1,600. 4,800 divided by 3. Press your calculator. Get used to pressing calculator. Okay. Part C. This one needs some understanding also. If the mass of a metal bar, the metal bar is 2.5 meter long, and then the mass, how much stuff is inside, or how heavy will it make the metal bar, is 15 kg. Meaning, the longer the bar is, the more mass you will have. Okay? So the mass is also related to the length. Yes. So every 2.5 meter long, you have 15 kg. Then what they want is mass per meter. Meaning, every per means 1 month. So every 1 meter is how much mass? Then from 2.5 meter is 15. I don't want 2.5, I want 1. I divide by 2.5 to get 1. Then this side I must also divide by 2.5. 15 divided by 2.5 should be 4 point something, right? 4.5. No. 4.6. 4.6. Is it? 15 divided by 2.5. 6. Okay? So every 1 meter, there is 6 kg of mass. Yes. Mass per meter is 6 kg per meter. Okay, next one, important. This question. 6 6 kg per meter. We can write it in another way. Huh? Meter.
How many grams per centimeter?
Meter is how long?
100 centimeter.
Yes, Stevie, what's your question? Meter is how long? There is a metal bar. The longer the metal bar is, the heavier it is. So now we want to know every 1 meter how much mass. Okay? This is not the part that I want to explain. I want to tell you 6 kg per meter can write in another way. Elijah.
How many grams?
6 kg per meter, we also write it as 6 kg per meter. So per can use this slash, just like division like that. 6 kg per meter. Okay? Yeah, very good. I just wanted to tell you. So when we talk about speed, 100 kilometer per hour, it is also a kind of rate. That means every 1 hour, I can travel 100 kilometer. 100 kilometer per hour. Okay? So speed is also a kind of rate. 6 kg per meter. Every 1 meter, 6 kg. 2 meter will be 12 kg. So this one same. Every 1 hour I can travel 100 kilometer. That gives me how fast I am. Okay? So speed is a kind of rate also. But speed, because it is so specific, later we have another topic by itself called speed. Ratio, rate, and then speed. Okay? But speed is a rate.
This one, speed, time.
Okay.
You go now?
Homework. Workbook page 25. 3 questions. Go try.
Now?
Questions 1 and 2 should be quite straightforward. Then take a look at question 3. No time already, right? 12:05, right? Oh. Okay. Hey, before we go, summary. So today we go through the different questions that you can face in ratio, and we also started what is rate. Okay? Rate is the comparison of 2 quantities of different measurement. Okay? The quantities are related, but they are not measurement of the same kind of thing. That is rate.